Hello guys, how are you all doing? Today we will be making some peanut butter soup. So in here I have my dry turkey, I have my hard chicken, like the bacon chicken. I'm just gonna go ahead and season this with a little bit of chicken broth seasoning. Add a little bit of salt on there, garlic, my onions, my pepper, my tomato. I'm gonna go ahead and steam with my meat. And this is what our peanut butter soup looks like. And thank you guys for subscribing, liking, and following this ministry. God bless you. Until next time, I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day, okay? All right.